of sand. The day Dr. Inferno shrunk the entire Academy's food, it was total chaos. I, Lightning Luna, am a trainer here at Superstar Hero Training Academy, and I had just taught my very new students how to go super fast. And I'm not just talking fast sprint, I'm talking pew! And it was exhausting because I had to keep showing them the moves they had to do, how to start, how to go, and how to stop. Stopping is very difficult when you've been travelling very fast. I went to the cafeteria. I could see people coming out, rubbing their stomachs and looking a little bit disappointed. Oh no! Has Zoom crashed into the tacos again? But it wasn't Taco Tuesday, it was Monday. And Monday is Macaroni Cheese Day, and it is my favourite food to eat in the entire universe. So I walked into the cafeteria and I could not believe my eyes. On a Monday we usually get a plate full of macaroni. The plates were this big and the macaroni looked like tiny grains of sand. The cooks were standing there. It was normal size and we turned around and it was suddenly miniature. It was that silly scientist, Dr. Inferno. Curse you, Dr. Inferno, I was starving. I need to find Brainbox. Now, Brainbox isn't his real name. His name is Ben, but we call him Brainbox because he is the smartest hero at the Superstar Hero Training Academy. I whizzed to him and I said, Brainbox, please help us. We have shrunken food. He checked his cupboard and he went, you'll never guess what? What? Dr. Inferno's stolen my shrink ray. But I'll tell you what he hasn't done. He hasn't taken my grow ray. Grow ray? You've invented a grow ray, Brainbox? Yeah, I did that when I was like 10. I'll be back in a jiffy. So I took the grow ray, got to the cafeteria, aimed it at all of the food, increased it by 200%. And we dined like kings and queens that day. We had plates the size of our arms. That was a chaotic day, but it turned out for the better. I took something bad and I made it good. Thank you so much for listening to Storytime with Lightning Luna. I hope you enjoyed it. Now, if you did enjoy it, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you'd like to see more Supernova Kids adventures. Thank you so much and I'll see you later. Bye!